close up of Mama. He's a little cutie pie. Let me head, Mama. The little black one, I've got him nicknamed Turtle. And the little cutie down there on the bottom, I've got him nicknamed Little Charlie after my Charlie. And there's Mama. And there's the little Hellraiser. You can just barely see her. Let's see, who's over here? And here's another baby. Hey, Mama, quit bumping me. I got two more babies. Here, Mama, scoot your little head over. There's the twins. And the little girl is on the bottom. She's the smallest of the twins. And I got little Char. He's trying to get my cord from my string. Let's go back, Mama. We gotta find a bigger box because we got 2-week-old babies and a mama. Look. It started playing, I think, Friday or Saturday. No, wait. I went to the vet Friday. They started Thursday, I believe. Come on, Mama. Let me put your ball right here. Come here. I'm going to get her out of the box so you can see how much smaller the little Hellraiser is. Here, move out of the way. See, here she is. Part of my hand. She's so tiny. But she's got the biggest mouth. And she can do some major damage when she gets mad.